Hi guys, today we are going to be going on an airplane for the first time. Oh, look at this, we're in here. Oh, look at a big flight over there. Well, it's about to depart, we're going in it. Oh, we're already on the plane, that's surprising. What's my ticket? 8:14, let's find my seat. By the way, ignore the music in the background. It's just, you know what? Don't even ask me about it. It's just music. Where is my seat? Oh, there it is. Panda. Panda. Whoa. What, Inoichi? You're currently playing on an Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, so let's explore. Whoa, there's a restroom. I guess I could be the first to use it. Whoa, this is very cool. Oh, I forgot! Like and subscribe, please. Please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Okay, fine. Well, meet you after this is turbulence. And oh, it already ended? That's quite nice. Thank you for your cooperation. Captain Computer has vitals. Get ready as a crew, get a snack for everybody. Yeah. Hello everyone, we are the group members. We deliver well delicious sandwiches. Enjoy ya. Sandwich. See that? See?
Fare le colombe.
What the fuck?
Aspetta. Chiudi.
Okay. Don't translate what you just heard. Okay. We need to solve that. Shit. Bro. Perché quando faccio i video infatti la mamma mi sembra e vuole di essere zitto. Good afternoon to all passengers. I'm Barman, we have reached a stable at the Toda. What the freak? Lost energy. Let's check the wings. What? Oh, hello. That's my don't worry. That is John. That's just John. He's chill. Actually, probably him. Okay, you all lost survive. Is that just Giulio's classic jokes? Are those snakes? Where are those snakes? There aren't even snakes. Abort! Yeah, there are snakes. What's cherries in plants? There is an open restroom. Oh, I know you. What the freak? I'm in. Oh, nice. That was scary. This capybara. What a freak is happening. Capybara. Where is this cat? Capybara, 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 capybara. Io devo parlare zitto? Oh shit. Give me that. Like I did. Yes, I did. Wait a second. So we stabilize the ocean. Maniope. Capybara. Oh, what's happening? Oh my god. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Shit, it stuck to me. Anyone but me. Yes. Okay, let's hope that whichever cable he cuts, it's safe. No, I'm gonna die. Dude. Oh wait, it's right. The bomb has been deactivated. Here are 3 activities. The monster is gone. Converted of the coronavirus. We shall look for them and check if everything is okay. Giulio agrees. Okay, I might know. Okay. It's locked. Look at this. Something is happening, dude. Put your mama in trouble. This door needs from the code. That was the fastest code ever. It's the teacher. No, that's just John. The paper, you think you are here in an accident, but you're not. I brought you here, all of you. It's not possible. Oh no, the captain! Okay, I guess I have to drive the plane. Let me cook. That's it. I need the fatty. I have to pilot the button. Well, there. Go fast. It's pressure. Yes. I found the button. Now we don't have to pilot. Okay, I'm pretending to be Russian. TS promote level. The Armagia 3 will weaken and go for help. Oh, kebab! The kebab! Kebab! There we go, so I guess somebody found it. Oh. Oh, we need help. Our canteen is unconscious. Don't worry, we will get through in no time. Everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. How to pilot mode is on. Okay, we trade your location and we are taking control. Try to explain. tutto.
Devi dare un po' di fibra.
Poi nel bagno là sotto, nel bagno nella lavanderia, di sotto ci sono tutte le versioni.
Okay. Okay, do this.
E poi lo butto.
You know what? I'm ending the video here. Bye, guys.
Lo scopo è là sopra nel bagno.
Oh. Bye, guys. I'll see ya.